Let Demi Leigh Nel Peters show you how it's done. If you want to get some quality makeup advice, it's best to ask a littoral queen. Demi Leigh Nel Peters, aka Miss Universe 2017, is here to give you a lesson in how to create the perfect smoky eye that's fit for the world stage. The best part of this tutorial is definitely her finishing touch. Who says you have to be Miss Universe to wear a crown? Watch the tutorial above for this day or night look. Royalty approved. Senior video producer, Jason Ikeler. Video shot and edited by Gigi, Pena.